So let's see how we do it. So here's the ingredients you need. First, you'll need a chicken, potatoes, some shallots, homegrown, garlic, homegrown, a leek, and then we've got all kinds of mushrooms, and you can really vary it up depending on what you've got access to and what you have in the cupboards. So we've got some big white mushrooms, and we've got some chestnut mushrooms, and I'm just about to put some hot water on these, but these are porcini mushrooms dried. So I've taken those out of the store cupboard and I'll soak them in some boiling water, and then they'll be ready to go in. And then for herbs, we've got a lovely mix of rosemary, purple sage and thyme. And then we'll be cooking the whole thing in some cider. So let's get this all prepared and into the pot and show you how easy it is and what an amazing job of this kind of dish you can do in the Instant Pot Duo Crisp with that amazing air fryer lid. So let's show you how it's done. So there's the roast dinner, and here's what I use to make those lovely roast potatoes. So all we have here is a double layer of some decent aluminium foil, so it's a bit robust, and then I've made some holes in the bottom to let the steam through to do that first steaming stage of the potatoes, and then we can just oil them and roast them in the same container, and they've come out beautifully. And don't forget when you're doing the folding to leave enough spare foil so that you can just close up that little packet once they're roasted. And then when the chicken is resting and you're finishing off the sauce, you can just fold over that little pack and keep your roast potatoes nice and crisp without even needing to put the oven on. So that's the roast dinner done. I've only got the one Instant Pot to wash and the pan that I steamed the veg in, and that is a great result for a Sunday roast. So don't forget to give the video a like, and I'll see you next time.